Dear children of class 7, some of you submitted your writings. The writings have some are done very well and written all answers. Some of you have submitted completely, some have written partly. However, your writing is good. You be sincere and learn these lessons. The names Ayushman Mahapatra of class 7. Then this is Aparajita. Yajnadatta Samantra of 7B. Anirudh Mahapatra, Soumya Swaraj Lenka of 7G. A.K. Pratikya of 7P. Pratikya Priyadarshini of 7G. And Monal Mrinmoyi of 7B have submitted the lessons. You just keep on watching and learn. Okay, so that you can learn also more things. Be sincere and regular to your studies. So today you have the latter part of this chapter. We have the unitary method, speed, time and distance. Speed, as you know, distance by time, or S is equal to distance d by t. Time is equal to distance by speed, or t is equal to d by s. Distance is equal to speed into time, or d is equal to s into t. Similarly, 1 kilometer per hour you can express in terms of how many meter per second? Since, as you know, 1 kilometer 1000 meter, 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute 60 seconds, so 60 into 60 is 3600 seconds. So 1000 by 3600, if you cancel, you can find out 5 by 18 meter per second. Therefore, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, you can find out 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Then another formula for you, average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken. Remember, here is a practice problem for you. A boy takes 9 minutes to cross 960 meter street. Find his speed in kilometer per hour. 9 minutes you can convert either to hour to express in kilometer per hour, or to second to express in meter per second, then convert to kilometer per hour. Next is some question from exercise. Summer drives his car at the speed of 90 km per hour. How much distance will he cover in 4 hours 30 minutes? So question is very simple to answer. You try yourself. 4 hours 30 minutes to convert to 30 minutes 1 by 2 hours. So 4 and 1 by 2 hours is 9 by 2 hours. Then try to find. Question 2. An aeroplane flies with constant speed of 840 km per hour. How far can it travel, that is wrongly written, this is can it travel in 140 minutes. So you can find out 140 minutes, you can convert to hours so that you can find this. The video will be there behind. This next slide, the answers are there. A minibus drives 40.2 km with constant speed of 67 km per hour and 77.3 km with a constant speed of 103 km per hour. What is its average speed for the total trip? Okay, we have the answers of these questions. Question 2 and question 3 answers are here. Speed of aeroplane is given in this 840 km per hour. Time is 140 minutes. So 140 by 60 is equal to 7 by 3 hours. Distance covered is equal to speed into time. So that is, you can take here 840 into 7 by 3. You simplify by cancelling so that you can find out, cancel by 3. So 280 into 7 is equal to 1960 kilometer or 1960 kilometer cover in 140 minutes. So third question. Distance in the first trip, it is 40.2 kilometer at the rate of 67 km per hour. So time taken for that is equal to distance by speed. So it is 0.6 hours. Similarly, distance for second trip 77.3 kilometer and speed is 103 kilometer per hour. So time is equal to 77.3 kilometer by 103 kilometer per hour. It comes 0.75 hours. So since average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time, so total distance cover is equal to 40.2 kilometer plus 77.3 kilometer is equal to 117.5 kilometer, and total time taken is 0.6 hour plus 0.75 hour is equal to 1.35 hour. So divide 117.5 kilometer by 1.35 hour, you will be getting 87 kilometer per hour. So this is the answer of these two questions. You have some more home assignments that you have to practice yourself, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the next videos, or you can ask them, contact me, or send the question in WhatsApp. In a public opinion poll, 550 people form a sample of 1,100 indicated they would vote for a specific candidate. How many votes can the candidate expected to receive from a population of 60,000? Answer is given. It is after working out. If needed, you can see the answer, compare the answer. 75 pens cost rupees 635.50 rupees. Find the price of 23 pens. How many pens can be bought for rupees 800, and how much money will be left? The answer is given here. You can see the answer, but first work out, then see the answer. One more question. The rent of a house is 91,200 rupees per year. What will be the rent for 9 months? So work out and try to answer the question, because if you have gone through the earlier videos, it is you will be able to answer this one. Dear children, if you like this video, you can share and subscribe. Keep in mind, you have to practice the lesson properly, mathematics regularly every day, at least 1 to 2 hours, and also give necessary comments if you have any doubts, so that it will be clarified, and be in touch with the lesson. Thank you.